This is pretty much a video editing application here where you can edit your videos and so forth. But not just edit videos, you can pretty much create AI videos using AI tool that they offer. They have auto-cut as well. They have camera features which you can use. They have auto-caption as well, which you can use for your videos. A lot of videos option or AI tools which you can use with this application here. You have the scripted video option as well, and you have templates which you can use to create, let's say, AI videos as well, or AI editing stuffs. So as you can see here, the banana option here, you have a lot of AI video which you can create. As you can see here, you have this option here where there is the trend figure option, and you have a lot of templates which you can use as well. Not just that one, you have these other options here which you can use. You have these other options here which you can use, clip to image or image to video, and you have the baby podcast templates which you can use as well. So all you have to do is just upload a clear image of yourself for these templates and you're pretty much good to go. So let's say, for example, this one here, I'll be able to tap on the baby jam or whatever the case is. This is, and you tap on the create option. But do keep in mind, you may need a subscription to use that feature. So if I do tap on it, you may see a diamond icon here. So that pretty much means you're going to need a subscription feature to use some of these templates. So pretty much go ahead and use the application. Let's say, for example, I want to try out something here. You can go ahead and tap on the plus icon and go ahead and edit a few things. But for now, I'm not going to pretty much go into that here. And as well, you can tap on the scripted video option, or you can tap on this option where it says more AI features. You have a lot of AI features that I'm unable to go through all of these AI features. But if you have any questions at all, you may want me to make a separate video as it relates to the AI features, feel free to comment below and I will gladly love to help you out. And don't you have the remove background, you have the extra text and so forth. You have a lot of AI features with this application here. So as it relates to the subscription for this AI application, let's say if you want to use the AI video option, which pretty much requires you a pro subscription to use. But as you can see here, you have the image to video option, you have the text to video. You pretty much enter in a prompt. If you don't have anything in mind, you can always tap on the inspiration option and it will just give you something to use. And as well, you can go ahead and select whichever style you want to use. You have the text to image, which generate images as well. But this is pretty much them offering a application that does that, but not specifically the application here. So to create AI videos, you can tap on the create option here, but you will need a subscription. So this is pretty much how you're going to find the subscription page here. So as you can see here, pretty much your prices as it relates to your subscription. And to generate one video is pretty much $3 here, which is, it's a bit crazy, I would say. But anyways, that's pretty much it. And as well, be able to purchase their subscription as it relates to how much videos you want to generate. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. So if I missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section and I'll see if I can help you. See you in the next one.